happened?
What did this wrong? Where I want to
Oga Soldier chase you, abi you escape fence.
I never see this kind of problem before for my life. I beg, give me water, give me food, something, I beg.
Here.
You no get food.
I no get. You guys calm down first now.
See, I never see this kind of trouble for my life before. Anything else get work, I know if you do one, I'll look for another way to make money.
I tell you, I no tell you. I better stand up from my bed, go bath.
If you see it.
Go bath, hey!
Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly money sweet. Nobody like it off my head. Just the money every day. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow.
Esesosa, I better wake up, dress.
My God.
Your God. I better wake up, I no dey in the mood for rubbish. I won't sleep.
I just see my future for my dream, Nana.
Future? I'm in the squat for my house.
Calm down, nah.
I don't get time for this rubbish, I beg. The night rough for me.
Yeah, sorry. Come I tell you my dream.
I beg later. I go here.
I said I did inside plane. Before you know, the plane just land for abroad.
Yeah.
Now only me be the only black person, oh. Everybody for inside that place now white. Everybody. Only me be black.
That's what. You just said that malaria they do.
No be malaria. I never tell you my dream. They direct me, they guide me. My dream no they lie, oh. If they give me direction of how my life could be.
So waiting this one coming now.
Akanchawa Baddie. Millionaire it is. I suppose they are abroad.
Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly money sweet.
I better dress.
Nobody like it off my head.
You know they nice to me now. Me now go abroad. Not buy anything.
Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, away. You have to blow.
Okay, man knows I did sorry. Konji never owe you before. I beg. Now Konji never owe me. Let me take that stupid boy go that ass.
Whoa. See, because of you, I almost died that night, yo. Sure you know. Because of you, I used 2 bottles of Aboniki. 2 bottles. You wanna roll now?
Okay, Magnus, you know say if it good for me, life go good for you. Okay, Magnus.
So if it good for you, it go good for me. That means say if it spoil for you, pata, that means it go spoil for my own. That's if you.
No,
Abi?
No, okay, Magnus. No be so now, okay, Magnus. I beg. Okay, Magnus, one last chance. I don't want to work as a help again. No be my calling. I don't accept that. Don't be my calling.
Esesosa. See, because of you, people know they don't rate me again. I don't lose plenty credibility because of you. Say you know. Say you know.
I know. I say sorry. No vex. I beg.
Kilo wa toro báyìí nsìn. What do you want?
Okay, Magnus, I don't know if you find me any work. Even if that to work for club, I'll manage her.
Club, I be waiting you talk. You just open my talk club. You see, now so easy to just see work for club. Say you enter club, you start to easy like that.
Okay, Magnus.
Oh.
Okay, Magnus. Look my face. Okay, Magnus. I'll blow. I also browse for Banana Island. I'll make you my #1 agent. Okay, Magnus, I'll spoil you. And you'll make money. And don't forget everything you don't do for me, okay, Magnus. Okay, Magnus,
you don't do. No, they cry for my girl. See, I know, say, I don't fumble. No go for my hand, you.
I'm not for your hand, I promise.
No go for my hand, you.
I'm not for your hand.
#1 agent, Mr. Magnus. Mr. Magnus. Thank you. Mr. Magnus. No tire for hustle when you wake
That person go day as full no day. Look at one massacre me.
Akanchawa Baddie, you
belongings and things there are Arabella's. I don't even collect them. You don't even did this as nothing. You go turn beggar, you go close my eyes, say I blend for road. I still the trash. She doesn't know me, she help me. My bells for banana and I'll carry her hello? Agent, sir. Yes, sir. I'm available. I'm coming now. Yes, sir. Okay. Hey, what Akanchawa Baddie don't get job.
Esesosa no gree for anybody. Make you dey chase money when you make a
Who let me compare? Esesosa. Esesosa. You see, this new client, na white man.
Huh?
Oyinbo Pepe. Suku Pepe. What do you?
White man?
Say you no want the job abi you want.
Ah, Oga Makinwa, I want the job. This thing you show me confirmation say my dream they come true. For my dream, I see me and white men for inside. I say my guys, I catch over the dream they come to pass. Say na lesson na. Yep.
More they go, no go this.
Make you dey chase money when you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no big query. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money.
Esesosa. The client wey dey ground now. Now person wey go dey find you talk one language, I go tell the translator. See, say you go fit do am because they want me you dey translate and shinko.
Ah, Agent Magnus, I don't think I no go disappoint you again. I fit do one to translate Chinese abi.
And you.
Chichawa, chinchao.
Say, you sure say you go fit do am abi where you for take learn the language?
No worry about that one. I tell you, say I was made for this. Now my mama bought me for this thing.
So,
I tell you, say I go do am where I go run now.
The thing now, I don't want make you take go there. Make you go for my hand.
No go for your one. They Magnus.
Oh, that bound.
No, mama, agent. No, mama. Move. Aya, move.
Wait, move, but see, who are you? Joseph, then go soon come now. Parabale.
You don't trust me again.
I trust you, Jeju.
See, agent, from my school that I mean they translate every language. I they speak different languages. Now we Chinese.
Me also, me no go for person for you.
Hello.
Mr. Festus.
Yeah.
Hey, Esesosa. Hey, Nosa. Hey, thank you.
Welcome, sir.
We are happy say you allow us come here. Now Esesosa be this Akanchawa.
Okay.
Now she na go dey do. You talk your own, I talk my own.
Okay. Okay. Esesosa, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
I'm sure you must have been briefed on your role, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So you can see this, my Chinese friend right here, does not understand a single word of English. And he wants to bring his business down here to Nigeria. So he needs a very, very good translator that can help him out on his business fronts. So are you sure you can do this?
I fit now. Yes, I can. I can do it.
Are you sure?
Yes!
Okay. And I need you available 24/7.
I'll be available 24/8, sir.
Okay, good. So she be your translator. Good. You know, Mandarin shouldn't be spoken in Asia only. We should extend it to every other part of the world. That's the beauty of the culture. You understand? So, so that's it. If there'll be any other thing else, please let me know. Then, in no time, I would get to you so we can start working as soon as possible.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
I look forward to working with you.
That's fine. That's fine. All right. Thank you. You're welcome.
You be number one.
Esesosa, you good about it. You sabi enter person.
I tell you now.
Enter right, enter left, enter.
I tell you, say I'm with your main one.
Me, I now at the time God say that meeting will go well. You sweet my belly. Sure you dey hear me, but Esesosa, no go for my hand, you. no go fall my hand. I go help you just dey learn the language. I go help you find one book. Wey be say e go help you well well. Na one of my friend na recommend am give me. He say Chinese made easy.
Abeg, the man go forget book. I say I go help. I got you. I go not be to translate. I go run now.
Esesosa, no go fall my hand o.
I
After
promise.
this one, come and pàdé mọ́ láíláí. No find me come again for job o.
I promise I no go fall your hand. Don't promise you.
You good like that. You good like that. As you don promise me say you no go fall my hand. Make me. I go find something shop.
You go chop without me.
Oh. You don chop my money finish yo.
You know say me like your little investment. You dey invest in my future, me I for make am now spoil you.
You be agbako. Olódùmarè ń gbọ́, you be agbako. Other clients, them go dey carry money dey give me. Make me I dey give them job. But you, your own just different. Na you dey chop my money.
I be special client.
See, your own matter e get as e be o. Esesosa. Bóyá kó lọ wẹrí ẹ ni o.
Hey, number 1 agent. 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 Now, I'll just spray you later. I'll just have to dance like this.
No spray me, you no get money. You no get money.
You know they talk like that.
Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly money sweet. Nobody like it suffer head. Nobody wants suffer blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, nowhere. One day you go blow, body blow, body blow.
Omo, the sun outside feel roast person. Hey, you hear wetin I talk?
Still, abeg come me look this book if you understand wetin dey inside.
Wetin?
Wetin dey inside? Wetin dey write put?
Wetin dey write for you? This na sign and symbol na.
Hey, I talk everything for dey be like magic.
Which kind book be this?
Na Chinese book.
Wetin wan you Chinese book do?
I be a personal assistant to Chinese businessman now.
You say wetin?
I be personal assistant.
Chinese no dey write like us na.
Na me suppose help am translate, but so I no understand the word for here.
Esesosa no kill me. Esesosa, you know they watch K-drama. You know see their billboard. Na sign language they use. Nobody fit understand them.
Like me, I understand there. This job na my job, not TV collector for my hand. Abeg, give me your phone, I watch Chinese film. Your phone, abeg.
I no get data.
Abeg, nah. If this work click, I'll sort you out. Abeg.
I no get data, Esesosa.
You know, say careful Lagos. They don't call this Lagos. I don't care any other person. Abeg.
Abeg take. Like play. I don't tell your big sister for Lagos.
Sis.
Abeg free me.
Sis. I'll give you 2 rooms for my house for banana. Don't worry.
You never even learn English finish. You don't travel go Chinese. Sorry, no first.
What this boy they do? Hey, this boy won't keep brother away big company, oh. Chinese get wicked people. Think go say they even get sense, they translate for English. I for to understand this film. Let them. You want to?
That's what I can make noise now.
Sorry.
You see they watch this film. I beg give me my phone, don't finish my data.
You want to see?
I beg. They give you book, read them.
I don't understand anything from the book. Now you want drawing.
Oh, confirm.
Je suis fait vous. Chaboudo.
You sure everything okay?
I don't get the job. Let's resume.
So you don't learn how to speak Chinese?
Now go correct me.
Esesosa. Make I test you. Waiting be hello for Chinese.
Hello for Chinese. I don't know.
Okay, I don't see him. Hello for Chinese. Nah. Ni wa.
You get translator for your phone?
No, na small thing now. Yes, now.
I beg.
I beg. It's just I beg. You won't beg me for my phone join. Me will get the phone, so I don't need that. God, help this girl. Shall we just go disgrace your village people for day?
I don't go disgrace anybody. Let me to speak Chinese. Meanwhile, this one, what did they? I'll run Nana.
This girl will kill me. And you not agree that? They always find your way. But Chinese people, no be Nigerians. No go vex them.
Go vex. No people just translate everything to the other person. Ni wow, chon chon, chu chu.
So you don't know hello.
You don't even know that ni wow. I don't add them to my sister. I don't learn. I mean, no ask me. No everything I come in. No forget that. Ni wow.
Where they go?
Ni hao.
你好，
Ni hao.
你好吗？
Sisi.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
我已经帮你找到500万的货。
He say you should name your price.
Oh, good. 500,000.
It's
500万。
Shishi.
Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be carry. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow.
My back just dey pain me.
So you never even work 1 week. All your back just dey pain you. You don't tire.
May you try speak Chinese. Just 2 seconds. Just speak Chinese. Chinchua. You know what's dey happen.
But Esesosa, they try you. So now you dey handle all this your boss business like this now.
Na me it's not easy. And even the internet never dey work, but I dey do wetin I fit do.
But this job fits you, sha.
Na me na. Akanchawa Baddie millionaire with ease.
Oh.
Go run now. You fit give me banana.
You don't get job now.
Then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be carry. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to.
为什么我收到的是50万，而不是500万？你看一下，
I don't understand what you're saying.
你叫你的翻译来是怎么操作的？
I don't understand.
这里我才这一点。你这个是怎么翻译的？啊，50万不是500万。你叫他给你好好翻译一下，什么情况？
Oh, he says that you have not bought him any gifts. She's a kid to Nigeria.
Is that the issue? Is that why you're angry? Don't worry, I will get you a good gift, okay?
谢谢。
还谢谢？我收50万，你谢谢我什么？我钱都没有，你谢谢我，这样不行的，这样不行。
less money sweet. Nobody like it suffer head. Chasing the money every day. Blow, Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow.
Mr. Festus, well done, no.
Esesosa.
This goes big.
See. Now the gifts where I buy for your boss with this.
You go like her.
I am sure he's going to like it. He will use it to make very good goat meat pepper soup.
He go pepper, go sit.
Hey, he's in the office.
It is office. Come here, carry go.
Yeah, now let's go.
Suffer head. Chasing the money every day. Blow, Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how.
我们的钱现在被别人骗完了，1分没有了，500万剩了50万，这样怎么弄？
Pretty good.
这个不行，你拿这个来干什么？这个是我的钱吗？500万你给50万，你拿一头羊来，你这个是怎么处理的？一头羊50万能值500万？
You know the best. If they are say you bring your goat, he gives corn.
Oh.
你就是在胡乱的给我翻译，骗我的钱，你懂不懂？
Okay, maybe add song to the gift. You know if you bring gift like that, you need to sing song.
Okay now, yeah. Sorry,
你们还有心情高兴？这样怎么行？我的钱，你牵一头羊来干什么？这样不行。
Esesosa，
我的500万，你
给
我弄出来。
Esesosa，
啊
Esesosa。
Money when you make a move, then go get it. If you dey pass it, then go get it. Your money big, plenty, no be get it. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go get it. If you dey pass it, then go get it. Your money big, plenty, no be get it. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow, Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly money sweet, nobody like it suffer head. Chasing the money every day. Blow, Akanchawa.